This video tutorial is provided by the College of Graduate Studies at UCF. In this video, I will review requirements regarding page layout and orientation and demonstrate how to modify settings within the Word document. If a table or other body content exceeds the margins of your document, you may use the landscape orientation to accommodate the material. To change the page orientation, you will need to use section breaks to offset the layout change. Whereas a page break places the following content on the next page, the section break creates a divide in the document wherein pagination and other document-wide formatting changes are not carried over. I'll demonstrate how to change page orientation within the Word document. In the Word document, first turn on the Show Hide All Formatting button to view any pre-existing formatting. In order to change the orientation of one page, you will need to insert a section break. With your cursor in place before the table, go to the Page Layout tab and select Breaks. Choose the section break titled Next Page. This should push your table to the next page. Now place the cursor after your table and insert another of the same type of section break again. This isolates the table from the rest of your document. If you need to change multiple pages to landscape orientation, you will only need one pair of section breaks above and below the series of pages. The landscape orientation will affect all pages inside these section breaks. Now with your cursor on the table, you can go to the Page Layout tab and change orientation to landscape. It should only affect the page with your table. You may want to look at the pages leading up to and following the table to remove any extraneous page breaks. Because the section breaks disrupt the page numbering system, you will need to reinsert the page number on any pages in landscape orientation. With your cursor on the affected page, go to the Insert tab of the ribbon and select Page Number. From the drop-down menu, select Plain Number 2 as it is centered along the bottom margin. With the Header and Footer Tools ribbon open, go back to Page Number and select Format Page Numbers. From this menu, select the option Continue from Previous Section. Be sure that the Different First Page option is unchecked. This will place your pages in sequence with the rest of the document. You may also want to update the table of contents and list of tables or list of figures to ensure that Word is able to find the page number for your content. This concludes the video tutorial for page orientation. If you have any further questions, please use the ETD help request form available through the Thesis and Dissertation Services website. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to set up the table of contents.